Rotary as well as the founder of Rebuild India is to nurture that leadership in India. My focus is India only. Rotary's focus is global. Rotary comes with global expertise, network of leaders and entrepreneurs across the globe, and I come with commitment to my mission. We have come up with this program called Student Empowerment Program. The purpose of this program is to provide an opportunity for students to get nurtured in an ecosystem which will help you get mentorship across stages of life.